Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Mycelium application on your iPhone. To delete the Mycelium app on your iPhone, first of all, unlock your iPhone and find the Mycelium Wallet application and press and hold it. From the pop-up, click on Remove App and click on the Delete App button twice, and you'll then be able to delete the Mycelium application on your iOS device. Soon after you do that, the application will be deleted from your app drawer. Now, if you ever want to download the Mycelium app again, you can do so by going and visiting your app store. Now that the Mycelium app has been successfully deleted from your iPhone, this will free up space and remove any leftover data from the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.